Hello everyone! Welcome to Mount Halcon, one of the most challenging and rewarding climbs in the Philippines. I'm Carlo J. Dignacio, your guide for today's adventure. Get ready to experience the breathtaking beauty and incredible biodiversity of this majestic mountain. Mount Halcon is standing tall at 2,616 meters above sea level. It's more than just a mountain, it's a sacred place for the indigenous communities of Mindoro. For centuries, it has been a source of life, providing water and resources, and also a spiritual connection to nature. Its unique ecosystem supports a wide variety of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic to the region. The climb is challenging but incredibly rewarding experience. The trail is steep, rocky, muddy, and others, and requires a good level of physical fitness. We'll be passing through diverse landscape from lush forests to rocky peaks, offering stunning panoramic views at various points along the way. Keep your eyes peeled for the incredible biodiversity of Mount Halcon. You might spot any specific animals like various bird species, monkeys, and others. The mountain is also home to a wide variety of plants, many of which possess medicinal properties. Remember, we're here to observe the appreciate nature, not disturb it. Safety is paramount. Always stay on marked trails and let someone know your itinerary before you start the climb. Pack you appropriately for all weather conditions. Bring plenty of water and don't forget your first aid kit. And please, let's leave no trace behind. Pack up everything you pack in and help keep this incredible mountain pristine for future generations. Reaching the summit of Mount Halcon is an unforgettable experience. The panoramic views are simply breathtaking, stretching as far as the eye can see. Take a moment to soak it all in, appreciate the accomplishment and capture some amazing photos. But remember, safety first, be mindful of the attitude and take your time. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey to Mount Halcon. Remember to respect and sacred mountain and its environment. Plan your climb responsibly and experience the magic of this incredible place for yourself.